We have no rules but one, and that is to have no rules.
Do you all have red hats?
We wear red and purple.
All right, well, there's a rule.
And the more
There's two
outlandish.
rules.
What?
You
Now
just, Paula, you just said there were no rules.
Well, you
I've been
know.
here 20 seconds. I've uncovered 2 rules.
Well, yeah.
Came to a red hat party without a red hat, it would be fine.
What about if you came without underwear?
That would be personal.
Excellent point. See, I forget. I'm in the South.
You have
But I'm
purple
not
underwear
sure.
right now?
No, not
No,
right
I have
now.
red underwear on.
You're not wearing any underwear right now?
Yeah, I'm wearing.
So wait, you're from Holland? Wait a minute, I'm confused. Y'all look alike. I forget who I'm talking to. So you're not wearing underwear right now, but when you do, it's purple.
I am wearing underwear, but I do have purple underwear. I just don't have it on because I'm going to wear it tomorrow to the brunch.
You're going to brunch in your underwear? Why are we here today?